now it's time to get away. Pack up the kids in the car. Another bruise to try and hide, another alibi to write, another ditch in the road. Keep moving, another stop sign. Keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Wonder how I ever made it through. There are children to thank of, babies asleep in the backseat. I wonder how I ever made it through that living nightmare. The mind is an amazing thing. It's full of candy dreams and new toys and another cheap hotel with 2 beds and a coffee machine. But there were groceries to buy, and she knew she had to go home.